Hello and welcome to our next section, which is covering modeling. And here I'm going to provide you some short section overview. So you will see what you can expect of this. So basically you will learn about the model training with all the details. So you will learn about how to set up a model by creating and inheriting from the nn.module class. Then you will see how to set up the training loop so that your model can be trained successfully. After the model was trained successfully, you will be able to evaluate how good the model was trained. Then also we are going to work with data sets, and you will see how beneficial it is to separate your data from your modeling. And here the data sets and also the data loaders are coming into play. And then we are putting another level of complexity to it. You will learn about batches, what batches are and why you're using them. You will see different activation functions at action. And to get the best result, you need to tune the parameters. So we will also work on that, and you will learn about hyperparameter tuning. And last but not least, you will not want to retrain the model every time you're opening up your coding environment. So basically you want to just save the model and load that at some later point so that you can right away start with the model. Alright, so you can see there is a bunch of topics which we will cover in this lecture, and this section is basically laying the foundation for everything else. So the other lectures later on are covering specific topics, very specific architectures of network, but here all the groundwork is done. So I would really recommend to you not to skip this one and pay a lot of attention in the next lectures. Thank you very much and see you there.